Good day everyone! This is another tutorial. For today, it's Middle by DJ Snake. There are two parts or three parts of this cover. The first is the verse, the second is the chorus, and then after the chorus there's some kind of an instrumental which is almost like an extension of the chorus because it uses the same chords. Now, start with the verse. The verse has two chords. Those two chords are D major 7. D major 7 is X5 7 6 7 5. D major 7. The second chord is a C sharp minor 7. X4 6 4 5 4. C sharp minor 7. So those are the only two chords which just repeats itself over and over in the verse. Now in terms of strumming and count, there are 4 counts for each of the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me do that again. D major 7, C sharp minor 7. D major 7, C sharp minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the same set of chords for the first verse and the second verse. Now for the chorus, you have 3 chords. It starts with a D major 7, X5 7 6 7 5, D major 7, exactly the same as the verse, D major 7. The second chord is, like the verse, is also the C sharp minor 7. C sharp minor 7 is X4 6 4 5 4. Now the third chord is a B minor 7. B minor 7 is 7x 7 7 7x. Now, like the verse, each of the chord has 4 counts, except for the B minor 7, wherein it becomes 2 times 4 counts on the first stanza, but it becomes 4 on the second stanza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like I said, it goes to 2 rounds. On the first stanza, it's B minor 7 has 8 counts, which is 2 times 4. And on the second one, the B minor 7 only has 4 counts. And then it ends on a C minor 7. Now, after the chorus, you have some kind of instrumental or some kind of a choir or background music wherein it uses the same chords as the chorus. D major 7, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7, C sharp minor 7. So now we know the chords or the chord progression, we know the finger positioning, and we know the counts and strumming. So let me assemble that to be a complete cover. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Staring at the different views on a window ledge. It's gone cold, it's like time froze. There you go, wishing, floating down a wishing well. It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I can tell. We're gonna sweep this under the carpet. I hope that we can turn back the time to make it alright for us. The promise to build a new world for us two. with you in the middle. With you in the middle. With you in the middle. Then it goes to the second verse with the same chords as the first verse. Lying down beside you, what's going through your head? The silence in the air felt like my soul froze. Am I just overthinking, feeling I can say? This gut feeling and trying to get me off as well. I hope we find one missing pieces, I just chill. We're gonna sweep it under the carpet. And then chorus. I hope that I can turn back the time, make it alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. It just fades. So I hope that was helpful. Give me your comments or requests, and then till next time.